Hello dear students, welcome back to this class of English. Students, in this video, I'll be continuing with the kinds of sentences, the other two which were left in the last video. So, let us start now. So, let's learn the next two kinds of sentences now. Okay, coming to the next kind of sentence. The fourth kind, which is exclamatory sentences. Now, exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express a sudden or strong feeling or sudden or strong emotion. And it can be anger, it can be surprise, it can be excitement, or it can be fear when you are afraid. It can be sorrow, it can be joy. So, those sentences which express the sudden or strong feeling or emotions are called exclamatory sentences. Let us take some examples. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh, she died so young. Hooray, we won the match. So these are a few examples of exclamatory sentences. Now, how can you recognize and write them properly? See, this mark is known as exclamation mark. And the exclamatory sentence begins with a capital letter with an exclamation mark. But exclamation mark can be in between after the words like we have used in these sentences as they express the sudden emotion or feeling, or it can be at the end of the sentence. Fine. Or it can be both, like this sentence. Fine. It is being used here. It is being used here also. Fine. Now look at the second sentence. Oh, the exclamation mark is there after O. But I have ended the sentence with a period, with a full stop. So in that case also the sentence will be considered as exclamatory sentence. There can be an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence, in between, after the particular word expressing sudden emotion or feeling. Okay, coming to the next and the last kind of the sentence now, which is optative sentences. Now, optative sentences are those which express some wish or prayer, some desire. So, those sentences are called optative sentences. Desire, wish, which express wish or desire. For example, may God bless you. God help the poor. So, these kind of sentences are called optative sentences. They again begin with a capital letter and they may or may not end with an exclamation mark. They may end with an exclamation mark or they may end with a full stop. Like here I can use exclamation mark. So both are correct in the case of optative sentences. And now we will once revise the kinds of sentences and the marks used with them. First was assertive sentences, which begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. The second was interrogative sentences, which always speak with a capital letter and end with a question mark. The question mark is also called the mark of interrogation. Then the imperative sentences, just like assertive sentences, they begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Then the exclamatory sentences, they begin with a capital letter and they may or may not end with an exclamation mark. Then the last kind, which is optative. Once again, they may or may not end with an exclamation mark. And all of them begin with a capital letter. So, these are the kinds of sentences. In the next video, I'll come up with a very important topic of grammar, which is narration, reported speech. So, to learn that, you must learn the kinds of sentences. So, I hope the kinds of sentences based on the usage is absolutely clear to you. And now, revise the kinds of sentences so that it would be easy for you to do the reported speech. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care. Thank you.